Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering what is speech production mechanism. Guys, I have uploaded complete speech and video processing subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. The speech production mechanism is the process by which a human being converts an idea into an acoustic speech, that is nothing but sound. Guys, we will speak based on our idea. So converting idea into speech, we call this process as speech production mechanism. Guys, speech will come out from our body through lungs, throat and mouth. So speech is produced by human body through a coordinated process involving the lungs, throat and mouth. And in computer science and speech processing, we call the speech production mechanism as source filter model. The source filter model contains three stages. One is power stage, next one is source and next one is filter. I will explain each of them. Guys, how speech will come out from our body? Total there are three stages. And the first one is power stage. We also call it as respiration stage. Total there are two organs involved. And the first one is lungs and next one is trachea. We also call this trachea as windpipe. Here lungs will act like piston. While we speak, at first, lungs will push air upward direction through windpipe. As lungs will push air in upward direction through windpipe, so lungs will give energy in order to create sound. So without lungs and trachea, that is nothing but windpipe, no sound is possible. So in stage 1, these are lungs and this is windpipe. We call it as trachea. While we speak, air is created and this air is passed in upward direction in order to create sound. And step 2 is phonation. We also call it as sound generator. Here total there are two organs involved. One is larynx. We also call it as voice box. And next one is vocal folds. We also call it as vocal cords. So total there are two organs. One is larynx and next one is vocal cords. Larynx is nothing but it is area that is present on top of your throat and that contains muscles. These muscles are moved in order to produce voice. Guys, vocal cords are thin bands of muscle that are present back of your throat and they will move in order to produce voice. At first, from lungs, air is passed through glottis. Glottis is nothing but it is opening between vocal cords. Guys, this is larynx and these are vocal cords. In between these vocal cords, there is opening. We call this opening as glottis. In this phonation stage, total there are two types of sounds created. One is voiced sounds and next one is unvoiced sounds. In voiced sounds, vocal cords are tensed and vibrated, which will create buzzing sound. For example, if you consider vowels like A, E, I, while we speak them, vocal cords will vibrate. So we call it as voiced sounds. And if you consider unvoiced sound, here vocal cords will stay open and relaxed and air will pass quickly, which will create hissing sound. For example, if you consider alphabets S, F, while we pronounce them, our vocal cords will stay relaxed. There is no vibration. So we call it as unvoiced sounds. And stage 3 is articulation. We also call it as filter stage. Here there is vocal tract involved. This stage contains organs like throat, mouth, tongue, teeth, lips and nose. I already told before. Total there are two types of sounds produced. One is biz and next one is hiss. This raw sound will travel through vocal tract by moving tongue, lips, jaw. We change the shape of the tract. That is nothing but perfect sound is produced. And there is velum. We also call it as nasal control, which will decide whether air must go through mouth or nose. And there is also stage 4. We also call it as radiation or output stage. Here organs like lips and nostrils are involved. Here our shaped sound will leave from mouth or nose and enters into the environment. This is diagram how speech is produced from our body.